Okay. Take one.
Alan, to make your foil dinners, you want your pieces of foil. You don't want fat packages, so you need long packages. If the packages are too fat, they just don't cook very well. So you need heavy duty foil. Okay? Otherwise, it's not thick enough to withstand the flames. Put 2 sheets of it down. Spray.
Rice ham.
Okay.
Or another brand.
Or another brand. Hamburger. I usually have done probably about 1/3 pound of hamburger on a foil dinner. It doesn't need to be like a meatloaf, and probably if it's not quite as condensed, it cooks a little better. So don't make a patty out of it or anything. Potato. Oh, and then I usually season the meat a little. This is just some seasonal. Okay. And the potatoes, skinny potatoes, not very fat, cut in half and cut into thin slices. Okay. I probably cut more than I needed to. This is 2 potatoes. It's possible 1 potato would have been enough. Okay. And the carrots are actually the thing that don't cook as well, not the potatoes.
So smaller
The
slices.
potatoes will get done faster, so you want skinny carrots in thin slices. Okay. Your onions are fine. All right. Okay.
I'm going to pause here so I do a smaller video.
Yep, so we've got our meat, potatoes, carrots, onions. I'm gonna season this all a little bit. For me, it's with garlic salt. I don't put pepper on because I don't like pepper that much. I let people pepper their own food. Okay. This makes kind of a nice sauce that it all cooks in, so we're generous with it. I don't use a full can per, but probably 2/3 of a can per. You kind of want it.
It gets runny.
It gets runny.
Runs around.
Makes a good sauce. Spread it a little bit, but it doesn't have to be too even. Okay.
All right.
And then
Wrap her up.
we fold over
First foil.
and over.
Oh,
Oops.
first foil.
The first foil. And fold in the ends. We're trying to keep it from all the stuff running out, you know. So this is a little loosey-goosey here. On this last piece of foil, we're going to try to fold it over in the middle too.
Seal it.
To kind of seal it. You can do that on both pieces of foil. You kind of seal it a little bit then. And then the same on the ends.
I'd say stick it in the fire, hot coals, and go maybe 10 minutes on each
10
side.
minutes on each side. And then you take it out and you unfold it and check.
Delicious.
You don't want raw hamburger or hard carrots.